Dynamic, dedicated, enthusiastic. Developing systems which gather data and help organizations gain knowledge is a task that can be solved in many different ways. Understanding how to process data optimally is but one step on the road to knowledge. It is only when combined with machines capable of performing the processing itself that knowledge generates understanding and systems become solutions and data becomes a competitive asset. Dynamics. A dynamic solution is one that provides both the specialized framework needed to administer large and complex data collations and the state-of-the-art hardware needed to make it all work. It's not enough to have designed and developed specialized hardware that sets performance records or state-of-the-art modular units that can be combined to meet individual organizational needs and continue to meet these needs as the organization grows and changes. It's not enough to have designed and developed specialized administrative systems that are acknowledged as the best of their kind. But to combine this wealth of experience and these extraordinary products into a cohesive yet flexible system, this is what makes the solution dynamic. This and also how one approaches the task. There are many individual items to be registered and catalogued. Systems for loans and returns must be established, and this information must be kept up to date. The right solution doesn't just meet the needs of users today and in the foreseeable future. It also ensures that those in positions of responsibility always have the latest information regarding the library's professional and economic status at their immediate disposal. And the system ensures that new and better administrative techniques can easily be incorporated as needs change. A modern-day stock exchange, a complicated kinetic puzzle. A myriad of small pieces of information that must be rapidly gathered, systematized, analyzed, and used. Vast snow-covered expanses where normal traffic and communication are complicated by distance and nature. Nonetheless, information must be collected. Sometimes speed is critical, such as in the healthcare sector. Sometimes the ability to handle large amounts of information is in itself a deciding factor, such as in educational systems. Government and governmental agencies also deal with huge collections of data. These must be systematized, and they often need to be centrally processed. Modern technology makes it all possible, across the ice-covered mountains of Greenland and anywhere else. A telecommunications network links satellites and land-based stations. This network is the lifeline that maintains the system. And effective data management is what maintains the network. Data management, putting complex processes into a logical framework. It can be done rationally, systematically, and effectively if the foundation has been properly laid. When a company directs all its experience, energy, and dynamic capability towards solving the problems of one specific client and combines these capabilities with the client's own experience, this is the essence of dedication. The daily newspaper, the largest newspaper publisher in Belgium. A completely new planning and management system was designed to help rationalize the production of 2 national newspapers including 13 local and regional editions. The system ensures that each member of the advertising and editorial staff has complete control over their daily routines and work in progress. The system also provides up-to-the-minute information regarding current production status. Users can determine at a glance if the advertising goals have been reached and whether each page has been filled as planned. Reporters and editors alike can follow each story from the initial planning stage to the final layout. And thanks to careful planning and management, last-minute changes can be made within minutes before the page goes to print. Not only has the system helped turn the chaotic struggle to put out a daily newspaper into a manageable, well-planned process, it also gives the users the opportunity to plan the layout and production of the newspaper months in advance. This is just one example of how dedication to solving a specific task can lead to a truly successful solution. The process starts long before talk turns to that of data and computers. To find a solution, one must first define the problem. After all, data and computers are not a goal in themselves, but merely the means to an end. The process can be long, difficult, and often frustrating. And if a project is to reach a successful conclusion, the process must contain two key ingredients: energy and enthusiasm. Dynamic, dedicated, enthusiastic. Together, they describe the ability to channel the combined efforts of many skilled individuals in order to analyze specific needs and create a useful and dynamic solution. These qualities contribute to the all-important understanding that no system is better than those who use it, and that successful implementation means that users are completely familiar with the new methods and work routines. This is the final part of the process that leads to a truly successful solution. Dynamic, dedicated, enthusiastic. These are the elements that form our power triangle.